If you are a financial advisor spending money on ads and getting zero leads, it's not because ads don't work. It's because you are missing one of these four things. I'm going to break down exactly how we got for our client 445 leads in just 30 days. So first, let's talk about most financial advisors, why they get zero leads from ads. So 85% of advisors struggle to find time for marketing. 3% of advisors successfully get clients from YouTube. That's like, it takes time to build that type of content so you can get leads daily and predictable. And 80% more leads for advisors with a marketing plan. So you don't have to post content randomly. You need to post content that actually makes sense and helps you to take the next step and get leads every day, so your financial advisors, so your team can actually call them and nurture them. So what we are going to talk about is building lead magnet, creating content, a strong call to action, and qualified leads. So build your lead magnet, the step number one. This is where we are going to stop, because without lead magnet, you cannot create content so you can give something. So before creating content, before understanding what you are going to talk about, your hooks, your content, your body, your call to action, you need to understand which one you are going to choose. So what you can give to this audience, like retired leads. You can give free ebook, a guide. You can give free text calculator, free workshop replay. Let me give you an example. For free ebook, you can simply give something for like 8 to 10 pages, covers one topic. You already know this, just write it down. So yeah, it's something simple for you. So the second thing, free tax calculator. They can put their income, savings, age, and see how much they can save. And this way you have their contact information, you have their first name, last name, and if they fill their income, savings, age, and you see if they are qualified or not, and you start calling them and give them the value, like something for free. Because if a lead signed up for free calculator and immediately if you call, hey, how's it going? I saw you signed up recently. Would you be interested in booking call? They are going to hang up the phone and not answer to you again. So you need to give more value after giving this free tax calculator or free ebook and free workshop replay as well. So step 2 is 5 content topics that get leads on Facebook. The first one is educational. The second one, educational retirement income topics. The first one was like about tax strategy. The third one is the best one. These types of content help me to get my clients daily booked appointments. So recently we are running ads. We are using content that actually works. We know what works, how it works, and how to optimize the content the best way so we can get leads every day to make them to book a call, actually like appointment. And we use client win testimonial videos. So you need to use those videos as well, because those videos will help you to get more appointments, more booked calls. But in our video that in this topic we are talking about is getting leads daily, like with free lead magnet, free guide. But when it comes to the appointments, you need to use client win testimonial videos. The fourth one is myth busting, fear based, and the fifth one is behind the scenes. So example, I want to talk about educational content tax strategy topic. So example A, if you are over 60 and you still don't have a tax strategy in place, you could be losing thousands every year. So you are going to have an image, you on camera, you are standing, text overlay over 60, you are going to write it this way: you're probably overpaying on taxes. Example B, when you take a social security, can change your retirement income by over $100,000. Here's when you should actually take it. Your image, take SS at 62 versus take SS at 67. So you need to be in, your face in the corner with dollar amounts. You need to show the difference between taking from 62 and taking from 67. Like a graphic simply explains the concept. And the call to action is going to be download my free guide, 5 tax mistakes retirees make, link in the description. Educational content, retirement income hooks. How much money do you actually need to retire? Most people guess wrong. Here's the real number. Again, the same, bold text, how much do you need to retire, calculator graphic, your photo. Example B, your 401k could be costing you more in taxes than you think. One move could save you tens of thousands. It's called a rough conversion. Image, 401k mistake that costs retirees 1,000, red warning icon, serious look. You are going to be on the image as well. And the call to action you are going to use is, I made a free retirement calculator, plug in your numbers and see where you stand, link below. So content that builds trust is client win testimonials. Is one of my clients came to me, this is an hook example. So one of my clients came to me terrified at 63. We built a plan and within 6 months she went from losing sleep to sleeping like a baby. The second one is myth busting fear based. Stop. If you are about to retire and you haven't done this one thing, you could lose 30% of your retirement savings to taxes. And behind scenes, some kind of a hook, just got off on a call with a client who told me he can finally retire without worrying about running out of money. So here also the examples of content like self at desk or office, bold red text, before you retire, serious face on camera. So call to actions that actually convert for the ebook. Download my free guide, link in the description. The second one is, wanna know if you are making these mistakes? Grab my free retirement free guide. Takes 2 minutes to read. The third one is, I put everything in a free guide. 5 biggest tax mistakes retirees make, free, no strings, link below. For calculator type that you are going to provide is, use my free retirement calculator, see exactly where you stand, take 60 seconds, link in bio. If this was helpful, I go deeper in my free guide, same strategy I use with my clients. And the last one is, this could be you, start with a free guide and see where you stand, link in the description. So step 4, we are going to talk about the questions that qualify every lead automatically, because I tried and I know, and I'm giving you guys this for free. So first one is, do you currently have a tax reduction strategy for your retirement? You need to have 2 options, yes or no, or I'm not sure, like the third one. The second question, how soon are you looking to get retirement plan in place? Immediately, within 3 months, within 6 months, just researching. After the questions they answer, they do all this stuff, you collect the contact info and follow up fast. So after they submit, you need to start giving them free value. For example, you can make a video about this, tax topics, retirement topics, everything. If you have their email, phone number, full name, you can simply write them through iMessage. You can simply write them on email, send them on WhatsApp as well. You should send them value every day so you can build a rapport. Because let's say you sent the first value, they didn't answer, that's fine. Then second value, maybe they reply, and then from there you can start a conversation with them so you can take them to the book call. So this is how it works when it comes to this side, because my clients have big teams, they need calls, they need cold leads as well, they are filling information specifically only for us. We are not buying from an Indian guy or someone. Is the leads are filling the information are the quality leads who's actually interested in more to learn. And this is how we built this strategy for my clients who have big teams, like 5 to 10 advisors, and they start calling these people and qualifying them and getting them to the book call. In my experience, what I've seen is, in the first 30 days minimum, this is what I'm talking about, minimum, if we are getting 600 to 900 leads, 10% of them will book a call. So you have 60 book calls from only this simple campaign that I'm running for my clients. I'm not talking about the appointment, how you are going to optimize the content so you can get book calls while you are sleeping, that I do for my clients. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about that as well, how you are going to frame this content that actually can get you book calls. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you. If you need help with your firm to get more leads, book calls, you can click the link and book a one-on-one free consultation with me. So yeah, thanks so much.